Unit 4.1 Light Sources. There are two types of light sources, natural light and artificial light. A light source makes light. How many light sources can you see over here in this picture? These objects are not light sources. They do not make light. Some objects reflect light. The light bounces off them. The moon reflects light from the sun. Water and mirrors reflect light. Words to learn. Light. 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 Moon. 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 Reflect. 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 Source. 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 Source.